Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new or you just for some reason don't know, my name is Jeannie. Hi, hello. Over here I like to do a lot of BoxyCharm and Ipsy makeup hauls, makeup and skincare reviews. Now if you're not already subscribed, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe here on my channel. I also do giveaways. Right now I have a giveaway that is going to be ending very, very soon so that I can open my next giveaway, but the current giveaway has a retail value of over $1,000. Amazing high-end skincare and makeup products. So you don't want to miss out on your chance to win that giveaway. I cover shipping and everything for all of my giveaways. All you have to do is be part of this beauty YouTube family by subscribing and then leave me a comment on that giveaway video, which I will link in the description box below just to make it easy for you to find. But you guys, so for today's video, I am really, really excited. Now, I don't get a ton of PR. I'm still kind of a smaller influencer. I get BoxyCharm PR, and I do get, which is so exciting to me because I love BoxyCharm. It is like my favorite thing ever. But today's video is not about BoxyCharm. Today's video is about iMethod. So occasionally I do get approached by brands, and I was approached by iMethod. They have an Amazon shop, and they have a lot of different types of products. They have eyebrow products, they have eyeliner stamp products, and just a whole array of different products. They approached me and asked if I would be interested in trying some of their products. They sent me a list of products and asked me to go ahead and pick one. If I was interested, they would go ahead and send it my way. So what caught my eye was their eyebrow stamp. So if you have been watching my channel for any amount of time, then you have probably heard me talk about that eyebrows are my least favorite part of makeup, but that is only because they are an issue for me. So I actually just relightened my hair, but my hair is very, very dark brown, bordering on black, okay? But you would never know that because look at my eyebrows. I have a full face of makeup on right now except eyebrows. I have nothing on my eyebrows. So now, if you've heard me talk about it, you get to actually see this is what your girl is working with. They don't match my natural hair, which is literally like black, okay? And they are patchy. They are different from each other. This one has an arch. This one is straight across. And look, my brows are awful. So that is why they're my least favorite part of makeup, because when I'm doing my brows, I'm starting from scratch. So I have always wanted to try one of these eyebrow stamp products, and I got an opportunity to try one. Now this product goes for $16.97 on their Amazon store. I will have all of the information linked in the description box below. So if you would like to go check out this product or see the other products that you could get from this brand, it will definitely be in the description box below for you to go ahead and check it out. But I am nervous and excited at the same time. And thank you so much, iMethod, for sending this my way. I'm excited. I'm nervous and excited. So this is what it looks like. And when you open it up, we have a little card here. It's giving us their Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and it says iMethod, and it's giving all of their little hashtags, iMethod Beauty. So that is what that looks like. And on the flip side, it says, "You're the best. Dear customer, thank you so much for choosing iMethod. If you are not completely satisfied with an iMethod beauty product for any reason, please contact us via email, Instagram, or Facebook to ask for a refund or replacement. No questions asked for a full refund. No returns needed. Save time." Basically, they're telling us, hey, if you purchase something, if you spend your hard-earned money and you're not satisfied, we're not going to hassle you. We're not going to ask you any questions. If you want your money back, just say so. That's freaking awesome. I really, really, really admire that in a company, and I literally just read it word for word. I'm not making anything up. That's amazing. So it's literally a risk-free purchase. So, okay. So now in this, it looks like we have an instruction pamphlet. It's got some information. So we've got like a whole piece of paper on my product here, giving information, questions. We'll get into this. So the actual product comes with the stamp. This is the component. Okay, so it looks like the product is in here. And then you got the stamp. Also, I got mine in the shade Blonde, which is currently unavailable, but will be back in stock soon as far as their Amazon store. And when I checked earlier, all of the other colors were available. The Blonde was the only one that will be back in stock soon. Then you also do get 2 spoolies with it, which is nice. These feel like really nice fluffy ones. And then we have 2 packages of the stencils. Now, I don't know if they are all the same or if they are different shapes. That looks like a big brow for my face. I'm kind of hoping that we got some different shapes in here. But let's go ahead and check them out. So in the meantime, it says, will the stamp dry? The eyebrow stamp likes the eyebrow powder. Depending on whether you get the powder is inside the lid of the stamp cap, like I had noticed, and not inside the sponge. The eyebrow stamp can dry out if you do not close it all the way. Okay, so good to know. This does have a little like teeth on it where you spin, so you want to keep the product closed properly to preserve the product. It says, what do I do if the eyebrow stencil does not fit my current eyebrow shape? The stencils were created according to measurements of the golden ratios, so they may not be perfectly fitted to your exact eyebrow growth. If you would like the shape of the stencil, once you stamp it on, you can tweeze the hairs that fall outside of the shape to make your natural eyebrow growth fit the shape perfectly. What if the color does not work for me? Please know that the color may vary among individuals due to different skin tones and hair tones. Don't worry if the color is not right for you. You can contact for a replacement and we will send the right color for you. That's awesome. If the color is too dark, ? Stamp the eyebrow stamp on a paper towel before application to remove excess product. Okay. If the color is too light, simply apply another layer. Adding another layer will darken the pigment. Sorry, guys. If you know me, then you probably know. I'm sipping on actually like a $150 bottle of red wine that my husband brought back from his recent trip to Vegas for work. So, yeah. Anyhow. Okay, so let's see what we got inside of here. I'm curious to see if the stencils are all the same or okay, no. So they are all different shapes. So, and also you get 2 packages. Oh, I see. One for, okay. So one package is for the left side. The other package is for the right side. Now these look kind of big for my face. I'm trying to find the best option for me. Okay, so I feel like this may be the closest, although, okay. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. We're just going to pick one and go with it, you guys. We're just going to do the dang thing, okay? See, like my face, I feel like, is a little bit smaller than these stamps. But we're going to go ahead and we're just going to go for it. So Let me find the correct one on this side. I do like that, you guys, it literally has a ton of different shapes, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it looks like there's 10 different shapes in here and styles. And I'm going to do this one here. That looks the closest to my natural brow. So we're going to go ahead and pop out the middle part. Ooh, I don't know, you guys. I don't know how this is going to work. My brow isn't that big. Okay, well, we'll just try it. Now, if this does not work, it absolutely could be user error. I have never tried these before, so I just want to mention that. I don't even know how to do this correctly. Oh my goodness. Okay. We'll just go like this. I don't know how to. Wow. Dude, not bad. Not bad for a first try. The color looks really nice. I think I'd like to maybe try and, let's see here. Try and stamp the edge a little more here maybe. Wow. Okay, iMethod. I'm not mad at it. I mean, you can definitely obviously go in with a pencil afterwards if you wanted to and fill in little areas. But first and foremost, this color is beautiful for me. That is my main complaint with doing my eyebrows, is that I can never find something, because I dye my hair blonde, but even my eyebrows don't even match my natural color. So, man, I'm impressed with this. Okay. I like it. Let's try the other one. See if we can get matching eyebrows. Wow. I mean, seriously though, like, how easy was that? I was all nervous, and like, how freaking easy was it? So you just get your brow in the middle of the stencil, and then just literally pat it along. And I'm sure that it even gets better and easier with practice. I have never tried these before, so I mean, I'm impressed. I like it. I really, really do. Whoops. Well, it wouldn't be a video on my channel if I did not drop something at least once. I just want to... Dang, I am impressed with that. Okay, this is definitely going to be something that I'm going to play around with, different shapes, and maybe really start to enjoy doing my brows, because how easy was that? I'm excited. Thank you so much, iMethod, for sending me this. Oh, well, let's try the little spoolie and maybe see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I like that even better. I forgot about that part. Definitely makes it look a little bit more natural. Wow. Now, I'll be interested to see a wear test. Like, how does it wear throughout the day? I am a waitress that sweats at work. Sometimes on my double shifts, I'm on my feet for 15 hours. So I'll be interested to see how it wears. But first impressions, I'm really, really impressed with this product. I'll definitely keep on using it, get better at the placement, more comfortable with everything, I'm sure. And thank you so much, iMethod, for sending me this my way. If you guys want to check out their Amazon store, check out this product and see what other products they have to offer, like I said, I will leave all of the information in the description box below. But yeah, I definitely recommend, if you have problems with your brows or even doing a winged liner, their products are extremely affordable. And if you get a product that you hate, you can contact them and you will get your money back. So to me, that's a risk-free purchase and definitely worth checking out. So if you would like to check them out, everything will be in the description box below. And that's going to be it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out. I've got a lot of amazing stuff planned, and I can't wait to get to all that. But until then, guys, stay safe, stay beautiful, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye.